they start to run. So no, if we have a business, I give example of Somalian. The Somalian, they are doing incredible things here in South Africa. Somalian is a poor country, we know, in Africa. But why the Somalian today, they are the #1 to have a business everywhere. A Somalian guy can come here in South Africa. He doesn't have a job. His fellow brother, they have a business, they're going to put money, 20,000, they open a shop for him. When they open a shop for him, in 3 years to come, he bring that money back, and then the shop, they remain for him. That's why you see most of the Somalians, they don't look for a job here in South Africa. If you see a Somalian is looking for a job, they don't look for a job because they support each other. When the Somalian guy come from Somalia, if he don't have a job, he don't have money, he's going to open the business. Why he's going to open a business? The fellow brother, they're going to put the money on the table. They say, okay, be serious, we open for you a business. Once you success, you bring the money back. That's the things. The black people, we must act like a Somalian, the way they support each other. We have to support each other so we can own a lot of business. You see, like in America now, Tyler Perry is owning a business. Is owning a business. Oprah Winfrey, they're owning a business. Everyone is owning a business because they support each other. They have a group. They call it a black community. That black community is, if you have a project, you come